This is a short clip about using a wire tracker tuner. You have one piece that you can plug into or attach to an Ethernet cord or a jack, and then you have another piece that acts as a wand for finding things. You just set it on scan, and then what you can do is by pressing the button, as you get close to the wire, the pulse increases. So this allows you to find out which wire goes to which jack, which I'll demonstrate soon. So here I have the scanner hooked up to my wire that's going to be eventually connected to this TiVo Mini. So this is one of the new wires I pulled through the attic, and this will help me find out which wire it is that's in the media cabinet. So all these cables are the Cat 6 cables I just pulled through the attic. Eventually I'll clean them up. They're unlabeled right now, but part of this exercise will be eventually to use the tracker toning device to label which wires go, and eventually do the existing cables that go to each room. So we'll just see if we can find out which one it is. So I think it's this one. Sorry, I'm only one hand available. So I'm pretty sure it's this wire. So I'll just separate it from the bunch. Now with the network cord hooked up, we are now getting a IP address for our TiVo Mini.